Welcome back to my channel. So we are doing another what I eat in a week but Korean food edition. I just got back from getting groceries, so I have a lot of ingredients to work with. I decided to make some 된장찌개, but cheddar 된장찌개, and this is something that I get at Costco. So it's beef chuck pearls, and it's normally used for hot pot, but I like to just add it into things that require cheddar, but I don't have time to go to a Korean store. I'll use this instead. I've made beef and gnocchi rolls with it, which are really good. I've added it to kimchi jjigae, but this is honestly the best with 된장찌개, which is soybean paste soup. We'll make that with some dumplings and fried egg. We'll just go very simple today for lunch. Oh no! I just realized I don't have any onion. It'll be an onion-less 된장찌개. I'm gonna use one of these tablets. This 된장. I have leftover zucchini, so I'll use these first. Just add this much. I'll add some mandu to here. Let's eat. So much 고기 in here. 매워. Very cozy meal. I will be making my family 닭도리탕 or 닭볶음탕, others might say it. But it's a braised chicken in the gochujang or like a red sauce. Gochujang does go in, but I will say a lot of the redness does come from the gochugaru. This is a really easy recipe to make. My mom requested it because she loves when I make this. So let's get started with the veggies. Maybe it is a lot. Use chicken thighs. I don't know if you can see it.
Yummy hamburger is yummy. Mommy, I love
That's why I said it didn't match. Why are we eating salt or like dip?
Sometimes she's so
Yeah, it's the way.
No.
Supposedly, Ella, supposedly this is really good when you grill it. Kimchi, that's like washed.
I want it.
Wow, it's hot.
Okay. There you go. Wow.
Oh my.
La, la, la,
They don't like, oh, sorry guys.
Wow.
Gotta go look at the 된장찌개.
된장찌개 좀.
테이프 타올 하나 물을 묻혀서 주세요.
알았어.
It's a little sweet. Oh, thank you.
고춧가루도 안 넣었어. 김치 맛있지?
되게 맛있어.
되게 맛있어. 사람들 다
Thank
김치
you,
먹는다고.
Mommy. This is where the biscuit
이거 열면 시원하겠다.
I got glasses. Prescriptions. They're new. I don't have to wear them all the time, but they told me to try and wear it if I can. Grace is making us a salmon bowl. 간장, 맛술, 설탕. Complete salmon bowl, and these are the sauces. And the zucchini good. Yeah?
Hi, Angie's table.
This is Christine table.
This is Soman's table.
Happy birthday, Shubaba.
Happy birthday. Wow, put it back. Happy birthday,
Happy
Shubaba.
birthday, Shubaba.
Listen, are we?
Happy birthday, dear Oma. Happy birthday to you. 생일 축하합니다.
Ready?
Hey, Ella.
What? Why are you blowing it?
Okay.
Go!
Wow!